Dear scholars, in the previous video, I explained pronouns, in which I explained the definition. What is it? A word that replaces noun. Later, we learn how the noun is replaced. Then, I gave these examples of pronouns. Afterward, it was a discussion or explanation about pronouns table. Then the concept of persons, that is first person, second person, third person, as well as there is more discussion or explanation about subject pronouns. Then I gave these examples of subject pronouns, in which I, we, you, he, she, it, they, these are the subject pronouns. Next, it was about object pronouns. Here are the sentence examples of them, and word me, us, you, him, her, it, and them. These are the object pronouns. So let's learn something more about pronouns. Let's learn about remaining categories through this video. So here is the next category, which is called possessive adjectives. So here possessive means showing possession or showing ownership, and adjective, that is what? A word which gives information about a noun or pronoun, or a word which modifies noun. How it works in the sentence? Let us see with the help of some of the examples. Here are those. The first example is, this is my car. So in this sentence, there is information about a thing which is car, or about a noun which is car. What information is given, or which word is modifying the noun car, or which word is telling about the possession of the car? Which is that? The word is my, right? Instead saying this is Manoj's car, I use the word this is my car, so that the word my is possessive adjective over here, and as it is used instead my name, it is pronoun over here. So the word my or the possessive adjectives having two functions, as they are having the characteristic of adjectives because they are modifying the noun, and also they are used instead or in place of noun, so that they are pronouns. So I hope you will understand the two uses of possessive adjectives. Next example, this is our car. Which word is showing possession? The word is our, which is pronoun. Next, this is your car. Here is the word your. Next is, this is your car. The first one is for singular and the next for plural. Let us go ahead. This is his car. Who is the owner? The word his or the pronoun his. Next, this is her car. So here is the pronoun her. This is its tail. So here the sentence is about an animal or maybe a bird, so that the sentence is different as compared to others. And the last one, this is their car. So who is the owner, or who is showing the possession? Their. So the words my, our, your, his, her, its, their, these all are showing the possession, so that these all are the possessive adjectives they all are functioning as like pronouns, so they are included in the table of pronouns. Let us learn about the next category. What is it? Possessive pronouns. What is possessive pronoun? Possessive, again it means showing possession or ownership, and pronoun. So these all words are considered as possessive pronoun only, but in the previous category the title was possessive adjectives, as those are having two functions. One, they are pronoun, another they are adjective, but whatever given over here, these are only possessive pronouns. They have only one function. What is that? They replace the noun. How it works we will see, but before that focus these two words. What is mentioned here? Not used. It means the possessive pronoun form of the word it or of the pronoun it is not used. Remember, let us see the sentence examples. Here are those. This car is mine. Which word is showing the possession over here? The word mine, right? So the word mine is possessive pronoun over here. Instead putting the name of any person, the word mine is used over here. That is what the word mine replace the name, any name, and because of that only the word mine is the pronoun over here, and as it is telling about possession, it is called possessive pronoun. I hope you are cleared with this concept. Let us see the next example. This car is ours. Which word is showing the possession? Ours. In the next example, this car is yours. Next one, yours. Next, this car is his. Actually this sentence doesn't sound good to listen, but still it is correct. Next, this car is hers. Same, this also doesn't sound good, but these are the correct sentences, and the words his and hers are the possessive pronouns over here. Seventh, I have put dash as this form of the word it or of the pronoun it is not used. Last example, this car is theirs. So here the word theirs showing the possession, and as it is used instead of noun, it is the pronoun over here. So remember, mine, ours, yours, his, hers and theirs are all the possessive pronouns over here. To make the concept clear, you must write it and you must think of the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Remember, possessive pronouns are used before noun, and possessive pronouns you can see over here, they all are used in the end of the sentences. Let's learn about the next and last category. What is it? Reflexive pronouns. What is meant by reflexive pronouns? The pronouns which are used in the sentences and they function as object, where it is mentioned in the sentence the subject and object is the same person. So if the subject and object is the same person in any sentence, at that time we find these all pronouns in such a sentences. Let us see how they work, but before that keep in mind these words are called as self and selves words. So self stand for singular and selves for plural. So here the word is yourself, which is singular, and yourselves is the plural one. Let us see how they work through the examples. Here is the first one. I made myself a cake. Who is the subject over here? I, right? Made is the verb. Myself a cake. Let us find out for the object. I made what? Answer is a cake. So it is the object over here. Then what about the word myself? So if you think I made a cake for whom, the answer will be myself. So you can think of the word myself as another object. So here I and myself, these two words are used for same person. That is what here the subject and object both are same person, and because of that only the word myself is considered as reflexive pronoun. So whatever examples I have provided, they all have two examples in each of them. We have to think about the reflexive pronouns only, but still take the help of subject pronouns over here to make it understand yourself better. See the second example. We made ourselves a cake. Subject we. For whom it is made? Ourselves. So ourselves is the reflexive pronoun over here. Let's go ahead. Which is the next example of reflexive pronoun? Yourself. Next one, yourselves. First one is singular and the next one is plural. Next example, he made himself a cake. So here, which is the reflexive pronoun? Himself. Next one, herself. Next, itself. And the last, themselves. So remember, these self and selves words are called reflexive pronouns if they are functioning as the object in the sentence, and here it is mentioned subject and object both are same person. So till this we discuss about all the categories of pronouns. Let us see the pronouns table once again to have a reminder of all the categories. The first is subject pronoun. Second is object pronoun. Subject pronouns works at subject places. Object pronouns works at object places. Next one is possessive adjectives. They come before they come before noun and they show the possession. Next is possessive pronoun. Mostly they are found in the end of the sentences. Last one, reflexive pronouns, which show that the subject and object both are same persons. So I hope you will understand all the information provided in the previous video and this one, where all the categories of pronouns through this pronouns table and with the help of examples I explained. That's it about pronouns.